Many of the buyers that I've been working with lately have asked me, is it worth buying a fixer upper home? And of course, I answer, it depends. So, just what is a fixer upper? It's a house that needs repair, and that can be cosmetic or it can be major. House can be livable or not livable. So, why would you buy a fixer upper? Well, the price is usually below market value, which lets you get into a desirable neighborhood. The improvements could increase the value of the home, and it's a blank canvas that lets you create your own dream home. But there are some reasons why you shouldn't consider a fixer upper. It could be more work than you thought, it could be a big time commitment. The renovation could be more costly than if you had bought one already renovated, which are a few of the reasons not to consider a fixer upper. But if you're going to buy a fixer upper, then be smart about it. Be realistic about your own skills. Look for the right renovations. Make sure you get inspections done. Make sure that you get estimates for the needed repairs from reliable contractors. Have a contingency fund and make sure that you're ready to take on the challenge. So, what turns a house from an ugly duckling into a swan? Making sure you've done all your homework. Remember, a fixer upper is really a house that nobody wants now, but they'll want in the future. This is Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. And if you're thinking about buying a home or even buying a fixer upper and you have questions or you want to talk, feel free to reach out and I'm happy to help. Have a great day.